Asia Morning Briefing. Trump's EU tariff deal holds Bitcoin near $119,000. On-chain strength and geopolitical calm support crypto markets, as Polymarket traders raise odds of a $125,000 Bitcoin breakout and BTC dominance slips below 61%. Welcome to Asia Morning Briefing, a daily summary of top stories during U.S. hours and an overview of market moves and analysis. For a detailed overview of U.S. markets, see CoinDesk's Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin BTC $118,506.64 traded at $119,430 in early Asia hours on Monday, up 1.24%, as bullish momentum continued following a series of institutional milestones and a breakthrough trade deal between the United States and the European Union. The CoinDesk 20, CD20, index rose 2.37% to 4,099.18, extending its recent recovery. Over the weekend, President Donald Trump and European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen announced a framework trade agreement at Turnberry, Scotland, that sets a 15% U.S. import tariff on EU goods, avoiding the previously threatened 30% rate. The deal includes $600 billion in EU investment in U.S. energy and defense over the next 3 years and aims to reduce Europe's reliance on Russian fuel. Tariffs on steel and aluminum remain at 50% for the time being. At the same time, Bitcoin's realized market capitalization, a measure of the total value of BTC based on the last time each coin moved, crossed the $1 trillion threshold for the first time, according to Glassnode. All this comes as BTC continues to consolidate above $118,000 after hitting a record high of $122,700 last week. The rally triggered significant long-term holder selling, while drawing in new buyers and fresh capital. BTC dominance, which measures Bitcoin's market share relative to the total crypto market, has edged down to 60.98%, suggesting modest rotation into altcoins. On Friday, Galaxy Digital announced it had executed a $9 billion BTC transaction on behalf of a Satoshi-era investor, one of the largest single Bitcoin transfers in history. The sale involved 80,000 BTC and was reportedly part of an estate planning strategy. The lack of price movement despite the size of the deal is likely a testament to how much BTC is illiquid, thanks to long-term hodling. A market on the verge of a supply shock rally can take an extra $9 billion being placed up for sale. Meanwhile, Polymarket bettors now give BTC a 24% chance of hitting $125,000 before the end of July, up from 18% earlier in the week. The increased odds come as traders weigh the impact of macro tailwinds and growing on-chain conviction. BTC. Bitcoin is trading above $119,000 as the United States and European Union sign a trade agreement, while CoinGlass data shows that traders have dipped into the majority short positions. ETH. Ether is trading at $3,867.76, up 3%, amid strong on-chain fundamentals. 28% of ETH is staked. Exchange balances are at 8-year lows, and new buyer inflows are rising. Gold is down for a fourth straight day, trading around $3,335 in early Asia despite a 28% year-to-date gain, as progress on EU and US China trade deals reduces safe haven demand ahead of this week's FOMC meeting. Nikkei 225. Asia-Pacific markets traded mixed Monday as investors awaited details of US China trade talks. Sam Reynolds is a senior reporter based in Asia. Sam was part of the CoinDesk team that won the 2023 Gerald Loeb Award in the breaking news category for coverage of FTX's collapse. Prior to CoinDesk, he was a reporter with Blockworks and a semiconductor analyst with IDC. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked, and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.